In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to use Smartsheet for project management, even if you're a complete beginner. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that combines spreadsheets with advanced project management features, making it perfect for tracking tasks, timelines, and team collaboration all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a project using Smartsheet templates and get your project up and running quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Smartsheet home screen. This is your main dashboard, where you can access all your sheets, reports, and dashboards. From here, look toward the top or left side of the screen and click on the Add button. This option allows you to create something new, whether that's a sheet, report, dashboard, or a project template. After clicking Add, you'll see several options. Go ahead and select View All Templates. This will open Smartsheet's template gallery, where you can browse pre-built templates designed for different use cases. Templates are extremely useful because they save time and give you a professional project structure right from the start. Once the template gallery opens, click into the search bar at the top and type in Project Management. Smartsheet will now filter the results and show you templates specifically related to managing projects. Scroll through the results until you find the Project Management Office template. This template is designed to help you manage projects efficiently, track progress, assign tasks, and maintain visibility across your entire project. Click on the Project Management Office template to open its details. Here, you can review what's included, such as task lists, timelines, and reporting features. When you're ready, click on Create from Template. Smartsheet will now generate a new project sheet based on this template inside your account. Once the template is created, you can start customizing it for your own project. You can rename the project, update task names, assign owners, set start and end dates, and track progress using status columns. Smartsheet also allows you to collaborate with your team by sharing the sheet, adding comments, and attaching files directly to tasks. As your project moves forward, you can use Smartsheet's views, such as Grid View or GAT View, to better visualize timelines and dependencies. This makes it much easier to stay on track and identify any potential delays early. And that's how you use Smartsheet for project management, by starting with a ready-made template. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your work and keep your projects running smoothly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.